Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, Senior KG semester 1 book. Senior KG semester 1 book. Okay. Now open English page number 7, prayer. That is prayer. We will start with a small prayer. So see it. Bless me, dear God. Bless me, dear God. I pray to you. I pray to you. Keep us happy day and night. Keep us happy. We must be happy day and night. Keep us healthy too. Bless my mother and my father. Bless my mother and my father. Bless my siblings too. Bless my siblings too. Then bless the birds, animals and plants, for I love them too. I love them. Bless me, dear God. Bless me, dear God. I pray to you. I pray to you. Keep us happy day and night. Keep us healthy too. Bless my mother and my father. Bless my siblings too. Bless the birds, animals and plants, for I love them too. For I love them too. Okay. Now you have already studied now. You have already studied all about me. All about me. That is, you stick your photograph here. You stick your photograph here. Then my name is. You write your name over here. Then the name of my school is Annapurneshwari English Medium School, Pattankudi. The name of my school is Annapurneshwari English Medium School, Pattankudi. I am studying this year. Here, I am in class. Which standard you are studying, you have to write here. That is senior KG. That is senior KG. Section A. Section A. My teacher's name is Mr. and Mrs. is there. So cancel this Mr. MR and Mrs. You write here. My name I'll write and give you. Neeta N-E-E-T-A. Neeta teacher. 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 Then you write here. My father's name is Mr. What your father's name is, you write here. My mother's name is Mrs. Your mother name you write. Then you write here. My address is, what your address is, you write here. My telephone number is, your telephone number, yes, you write here. What you have to write first is the name. My name is, what your name you write here. The name of my school is Annapurneshwari English Medium School, Pattankudi. I am in class. Which class you are studying? You are studying in senior KG. Section A. I am doing revision of the English alphabets. Okay, I am doing the revision. So I am taking the revision once again. My mother's name is, my teacher's name is Mrs. Neeta teacher. Okay, see here. Then my father's name is Mr. What your father's name is there, you write here. My mother's name is, right here. My address is, what your address is there, you write over here. Then my telephone number, your telephone number you do write here. Okay, this is the revision what I am taking, which you have to practice it. You are very perfect now. Now page number 9. Let us again revise the alphabets. That is capital and small letters. Let us remember the alphabet. Let us remember the alphabet. That is capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. C for cat. C for cat. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. D for doll. D for doll. So, you have to read like that. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. You might be saying why teacher is saying again and again, because just now there was a long gap between you and me. So you might have forgotten now ABCD. Some boys are knowing, some boys might have forgotten the ABCD. So I am doing the revision of the capital and small letters once again, just to remind you. Just to remind you. Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Have you understood this? A, B, C, D. Okay, now this same thing you have to not only read, you have to also write A, B, C, D. You are knowing now very well. Okay? You have your 4-line book. So what you do? Remove your 4-line book and see here how I am writing over here. Capital A, touch the 3 lines and do write. And here you have to write small a. Capital A, small a. See here. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. In this way you have to keep in front of your textbook, you keep in front of you, and then you take your textbook and on that you write in 3-line book, in 4-line book. In 3-line you have to write the capital letters in 3-line, and the 4-line will be used for small letters. For small letters. So, see here. Capital A, where I am writing, you are able to see, no? Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. In this way you have to say and write for full 2 pages. This 1 page and you have to turn and write 1 more page. This will be the homework for you. Capital and small letters, with the help of the picture you can read A, capital A, small a for apple. Capital A, small a for apple. Capital B, small b, B for ball. Capital B, small b, B for ball. Okay. C, capital C, small c, C for cat. Capital C, small c, C for cat. Capital D, small d, D for doll. In this way you have to keep the book and keep your textbook in front, and then you just go on writing and reading. You have to read and write. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Okay, this way you have to revise. Then what you have to do? You have to go back. See here. Capital D, small d. capital C, small c, capital B, small b, capital A, small a. Okay, this has been given in order and this is your reading. If I ask you any alphabet in the middle, if I keep no like this, you should be able to say that very fast. C, D, B, A. When you say A, capital A, small a. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital B, small b. This way. If any alphabet will be asked in the middle, you should be able to say that one. You should be able to say. Have you understood? Okay. I'll take the reading of capital and small letters A to Z. Okay. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. You read like that. After that, you read with the alphabet with the picture. Capital A, small a. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hut. I for ink pot. J for jug. K for kite. L for leaf. See here. L for leaf. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for seal. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. In this way, with the help of the picture, capital and small letters A to Z, you have to read. You have to read daily. Daily you have to read. Then you will be very perfect in capital and small letters. Okay. So, what will be the homework for you? Read capital and small letters. Read. Only read I said. Capital and small letters A to Z. You have to read with the help of the picture. And A to A, B, C, D. I have showed you how to write. 2 pages you write. A, B, C, D. Only A, B, C, D. How many pages? 2 pages. And you have to, all about me, here you have to stick your photo. Your photo. Stick your photo. Have you understood? And you have to by heart the prayer. Which prayer I have taught you now? That prayer you have to learn by heart. Yes, I will just show you. Yes, the prayer is, bless me dear God. Bless me dear God. This you have to learn by heart. You have to learn by heart. Now here one small rhyme. I will take page number 43. Page number 43, that is traffic lights. Traffic lights. Okay. Red, amber and green, the traffic lights are seen. Red, amber and green, the traffic lights are seen. The red light says stop. What does the red light says? It says us to stop. It stand at the top. The green light lights below. It says you may go. The amber light says get ready in between. You get ready in between. So, red, amber and green, the traffic lights are seen. The traffic lights are seen. The red light says stop. The red light says stop. It stands at the top. It stands at the top. The green lights below. The green lights below. It says you may go. It says you may go. The amber light says. The amber light says, get ready in between. The amber light says, get ready in between. Red amber and green, red amber and green. The traffic lights are seen. The traffic lights are seen. The red light says stop. The red light says stop. It stands at the top. It stands at the top. The green lights below. The green lights below. It says you may go. It says you may go. The amber light says get ready in between. The amber light says get ready in between. Okay, this is traffic signal. We have learned traffic lights. We have studied about. It is showing the signal for you what you have to do, what you are doing with the red light, amber light and green light, what they say. Okay, yes. Now vegetables. Okay, now vegetables. We learn about the vegetables. Vegetables, see, these are the vegetables: potato, tomato, brinjal, cabbage. These potatoes are round and brown. Potatoes are round and brown. Purple brinjal has a green crown. Cabbage has many green leaves. Cabbage has many green leaves. Small and round are green peas. Peas with cucumber, carrot and capsicum make a salad. Yummy, yummy, yum. Some are colorful, some are green. Before you cut vegetable, wash them clean. Before what we have to do? Before we cut the vegetable, we have to wash them and keep clean. Keep clean. Okay. Now see. Potatoes are round and brown. Potatoes are round and brown. Purple brinjal has a green crown. Purple brinjal has a green crown. Cabbage has many green leaves. Cabbage has many green leaves. Small and round are green peas. Small and round are green peas. With cucumber, carrot and capsicum. With cucumber, carrot and capsicum. Make a salad, yummy, yummy, yum. Make a salad, yummy, yummy, yum. Some are colorful, some are green. Some are colorful, some are green. Before you cut vegetable, wash them clean. Before you cut vegetables, wash them clean. Okay, children, you have to by heart rhymes, that is traffic lights and vegetables. Traffic lights and vegetables. Now, see here. Teachers note. Ask the children the following questions. What color are the traffic lights? What color are the traffic lights? Yes, traffic lights color. Traffic lights color red, amber and green. Red, amber and green. Okay, the second one. What must we do when the light is red? What must we do when the light is red? Red light, what does it shows? Yes, the red light says us what? Stop. The red light says us stop. Name any three vegetables that are in the rhyme. That is carrot, tomato, potato. This is peas. This is cabbage. Yes or no? Only they have asked you three. What is the color of brinjal? Yes, brinjal color may be purple also it will be, and it will be greenish little bit. Greenish color also. Green white it will be there. Okay? Yes, you have to learn by heart these two rhymes, and A to D. I have told you to write capital and small letters A to D, 2 pages. This is the homework for you. This is the homework for you. With this, we will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.